Quick little update for you guys. Everybody has been commenting saying they want to see the BRZ get tuned, get the BRZ on the dyno. I just want you guys to know that I guess everybody being home has got the dynos like super full. The BRZ is booked. I do have a scheduled dyno for it. This thing will be hitting the dyno very soon. I'm very excited to see what we can do with this thing. It's not gonna be crazy, but I'm just excited to get it on the street and do some pulls and just have it be like the way it should have been from the factory, you know? Because this thing literally has not moved since we supercharged it, and it's extremely sad. Also, pretty sure I already showed you guys this, but if I didn't show you guys this, this is like nothing against anybody. I just want to show you guys because I found it kind of interesting, and I want to see if you guys maybe have like some sort of idea why it happened. So in here, you guys can see, look at that flex pipe. I think I've showed you guys this before. Nope, that's not the flex pipe you're focusing on. Right there. Get it? Yeah, look how short my flex pipe is. That's not, nope, we lost focus again. Flex pipe was like 6 inches long, and now it's like maybe 3.5. It like jammed itself together. I don't know, maybe like the engine's moving too much. Maybe I need a motor mount. I don't know for sure, but like something about me going drifting jammed that thing together, and it's like not doing his job obviously anymore. That happened, it happened our first drift day, but I was like, you know what, it's fine, don't worry about it. And then I think being out on the big boy track had me doing, I'm gonna say, hotter run. And basically that 3 inches sucked the whole exhaust in 3 inches. The exhaust, you guys remember, I filmed it in a lot of videos. It used to come out, not far, but just like normal, you know, stick out just a little bit. You could see the tips, it was nice. And so right here, you guys can see that like, it got super, like this is melted. This isn't like it whacked the paint off. Like that's like a good melty. But on the other side, it's even worse, dude. Look at this. The paint's like, look at that. That's the bumper. And it's like not, the paint's not coming off just because it's coming off. It's like all bubbled and like gross right here because the exhaust got sucked in so far that it literally melted. No one ever sees that unless I point it out to you guys, but I just was curious if anybody else has ever had that happen, like from drifting or from thrashing on a car, because I don't know why that happened. I sent a message out to ARK Performance to see if they've ever had it happen before. That I just sent it out though, so they haven't got back to me yet, but I don't know. Very strange. Aside from that though, dude, this car cleans up so nice. Aside from that stuff though, today is a very important day. I feel like ever since we got home, why is this not working? There we go. I feel like ever since we got home, I've been trying to like do a million different things every day. Every day there's like way too much to do, and today I only have one goal, one thing I want to accomplish. Let's go! I feel like from over here it looks alright. That makes me happy. Oh, baby!
Civic?
Yep.
Can I see your ID? Just hold it up for me, please.
Okay, I gotta fit this behemoth through this tiny ass little gate up here. Actually, you know what? It's not too tiny, but it's not that big either. Oh boy. Oh, we made it. We made it. Let's go, baby. Yo, I missed you. Doesn't look like they fucked it up. Jasmine is loaded up. She's a little bit fucked up, but that's okay. We're gonna ignore the fact that there's a little bit of shit going on. I'm so excited to finally put the final car in my parents' driveway and just show all my neighbors that yes, I am a psychopath. Something about this car is so weird. Like driving home from BC with the BRZ was like, the BRZ is like my car, it has been my car since like before YouTube. And there's just like this feeling of driving through like my hometown with the BRZ on the trailer that was just so strange, because it's like, I don't even know how to word this. I think what it is right now I am the biggest possible visual of myself rolling down the road. Like I am my truck, my trailer, my like hero car on this channel all at once. I think like when you see me, you are literally seeing all of me right now. And I think that's what's a weird feeling. It's not like no one around here really knows these cars. It's not like nostalgic like a lot of you guys see me and stuff, but like to the regular person, it's not like, oh, Robbie's back. They're like, what the hell is that? You know? But there's just this feeling of like,
this is you.
This truck is me. Even though it's still new, like this truck is very much, this car is like the other part of me, right? I don't know. This might not make any sense. For any of you guys that understand, you'll understand. For most of you guys probably don't, but yeah. Something about being like in my hometown is what makes this whole thing weird. I could tow this car anywhere and I don't care, but it's just like, I don't know, it's a hometown vibe. I don't know how else to explain it to you guys. Jasmine is alive. This thing, I don't know what they did to it. It was fully functional when I gave it to them. They gave it back saying that the battery has been dead since we dropped it off, which it hasn't, and I know that for a fact. I think one of them was messing with probably the lights or like the air system or something, because he mentioned the air system, which was weird. So someone was messing with something and they ended up just leaving it on and the battery died. And it makes it super hard to jump start when the battery is in the trunk. And I was gonna swap this battery right into it, and then I realized I should just try to charge this. I really don't know what I was thinking. I was trying to get it off the trailer. I ripped that battery out of the other Civic, brought it over here, and then I only used it to bump start it. I was gonna just swap them and put this one on a charge, but I did. I don't know, I'm having one of those days where things I'm doing just don't really make sense. Now we gotta do the old, put this up a little bit, put this down a little bit, put this up a little more, put this down a little more. Boom. Nuts how dirty everything gets. Like literally having the Genesis and the BRZ on trailers coming across the country. This thing was on a train and all of them, like look how disgusting they get. Like that's gross, man. I don't really know what it is. I guess it's just like everything they're on isn't super enclosed. Even like the train cars, I guess to some extent are still left open or something. It's filthy, but dude, I'm so excited to have this thing back. I was dailying it pretty much up until like May or April, and then I stopped like dailying it, and then I haven't really drove it a whole lot. And when we left it, I just abandoned it. So I told you guys it was up to Emerson, because we basically got put into like a really big pinch where we couldn't find a company to ship this thing, and then when we finally did, it was like too late for us to get it on there personally. So I told you guys, if you don't see it for a while, it's Emerson's fault, which it was. But now that you guys are seeing it, it is also Emerson's fault. So thank you, Emerson and Brad. Went and picked it up, put it on a train for me, and got its ass sent over here. It did get damaged a little bit, but yo, before I show you this, I know this thing needs a tune-up. I know it probably hasn't, I know it probably needs actually a bit more than a tune-up. But I just gotta know, I just gotta hear that good old Civic turbo sound, baby. I just can't, I need to hear it. The whole street's like, yo, what the f is this? Showed up out of the blue, back at home, and I've just continuously put more and more cars in the driveway. They like actually probably think I have a problem. Oh, I missed you. Fortunately, no matter how much I love it, till I get everything swapped over to Ontario, I really can't drive it too much. Also, it is impossible to back this thing up right now because my friggin' mirror, it is so fried. I can't even get it to stay up, like facing the Genesis. It just goes and slowly rotates its way back down. Jasmine is home. I'm not gonna do a whole lot of Jasmine right now. I'm basically just excited that it's back. I mainly need to intro the EG to the EK whose battery I just stole, and let good old Jasmine know that this is no replacement. Anyways, the bumper has a bunch of like little like marks on it as if it was thrown around, but Brad and Emerson did take the bumper off, so it's most likely that that was them just like tossing the bumper. It doesn't look like it was much of like an impact is what I'm trying to say. I don't think it was that bad. You can see right here, oh, my fan just came on like hardcore. Right here, this clip broke. There's nothing, it's not bolted up there anymore. And the bumper cracked right here. So that was probably them just trying to like get it on or off. And it was just too low and it just scraped and broke right off. That's easy enough to understand. They said I can file like a claim report or something and try to get some money for that. And they also clearly smoked this mirror. Like it's not super messed up, but it's obviously like broken. Like it doesn't, something in there is super broken. And when you go to like adjust it and you grab the little adjuster guy, the whole mirror moves, which is not supposed to happen. But honestly, like aside from those two things, that's all the damage I could really see. Which is pretty good. It's not like you're not supposed to get your car back damaged when you send it on a rail. When I sent the BRZ on rail to get to Vancouver the first time we moved there, like the BRZ had no damage. I expected it to go just as well, which it did almost. And the whole drive home, I kind of like got super excited to do it one more time. Because you guys know we did this thing like the Wish way, and then we did it like the eBay way. And now I want to do it like the baller way. Like I want to just make this thing like something that I couldn't have even fathomed it to be like when we had first picked it up. It still looks dope, don't get me wrong, but I want to do like a real Rocket Bunny kit that fits nicely and everything looks nice. I want to get the whole car actually painted instead of dipped. I want to build like, I might leave it a B series because I think it would be cool to have a B and then a K series swap, but I think I'm gonna leave like, I'm gonna get a B C or whatever you call those ones, like the C18 or whatever, B18C. That's what I'm trying to say. So that this thing can be like fully built and like pushing good numbers, redo the interior, basically like a whole new car, but not, you know what I mean? But I'm going to back this thing up just enough that I can get a charger going on the battery and leave that going for a little bit, because that is very important, because once I do this, it's probably not coming back. Anyways, I didn't really have a lot to film today. Today's kind of rushed. We're actually gonna go inside and finish up the merch orders. They took a couple more days than normal to get out. Basically what happened was, you guys know that Tim had a sticker machine and he lost it in the fire, and I was using a guy out west to do my stickers. Now that I moved back home, I let Tim do all my stickers again. He went out and bought a new machine. So Tim's like the man. But I took him drifting with me instead of letting him stay home to finish the stickers. So there's a little bit of a delay. It was like 2 days extra to you guys' shipping, so I just wanted to say for everybody that bought something, thank you, but also sorry that it took 2 extra days to get it out. I'm also super ahead of my filming schedule, so by the time you guys see this, the orders have been long gone, like they're long sent out. But normally we ship them out like the next day. Today it was like this order, this time, it was like 2 days later. So I'm sorry. Thank you guys for your patience. So that's all I got for you guys. I'll catch you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out and stay committed.